The judge's warning about driving? Brutal but true. One drink, one mistake, and lives get shattered, including yours.
Her case is a stop for expired registration, no accident. You got the blood this morning, it's a 1-3. She has no criminal history. So I would ask the court that to use this, the research she's done in the 28 days without driving at all to understand that she gets it. And if we can not have the interlock, as would have been if she didn't have an open container, that we proceed further and let us do the work of getting the discovery forward.
Okay.
I can turn both those in.
I want you to know, I will act to your lawyer, but if I find that you're using alcohol, I'm gonna blow a gasket. I'm really just gonna lose it. Just don't. That's all I'm asking you to do. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. I'll take a look at this. I'm gonna acquiesce to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Just don't. Life is too short to spend the next month in a 6x9 box. All right? Okay, man. Good luck. Thanks, Greg. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, can you get that blood from me?
Hi. Good morning.
I have two arraignments this morning.
Okay, are you ready?
First one is Elijah Piper.
You want to bring them up?
Mr. Piper.
Did you say Trahan?
Yes, Elijah Trey Piper. Piper's name.
Piper. Good morning, Mr. Piper. Good morning. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On April 3rd, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer was dispatched for a driver who passed out behind the wheel. The officer arrived and observed the motor vehicle stationary and turned on. The defendant was identified by his driver's license. The officer observed the defendant asleep behind the wheel. The officer looked at the defendant who appeared disoriented and fumbling with the door handle. The officer observed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage from the defendant, red glossy eyes, and the defendant was unsteady on his feet. The defendant told the officer to get one drink. The defendant refused to interact with the breath test. The officer read the DIC and the defendant refused to give breath or blood. Blood warrant was obtained and a blood draw was completed.
Did you say it was in the middle of the street?
Your Honor, just a moment. It was stopped at a stop sign.
All right. All right, Mr. Piper, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. Do you mind looking CPAs in the prior to the
Yes, sir.
Yes, valid license. I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail, no more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes. The driver is eligible, Your Honor, and as to targeted goods,
You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. If you don't have car insurance, do not drive. That is a condition of your bond as well. Do you understand? If I find you drive without it, I will revoke your bond, put you in.
Your Honor, I am showing and operating a vehicle while intoxicated, on Louisiana. However, there's limited information that it doesn't show.
How old is that?
Disposition or,
How old is that?
since 2021.
Okay. I'm now ordering you not to drive any vehicle that doesn't have a guardian interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, likewise, I will put you in jail. If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, Mr. Piper, now is the time for you to address it. Because if you don't, and it becomes an issue, I will address it for you. And I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand? I will do everything in my power to protect my streets at all costs. I don't care who you are or where you come from. For now, I'm going to have you go sign a reset with Victoria. We will have you meet with Felicia for your bond conditions. You have a lawyer because you have
An interlock device isn't just punishment, it's humiliation. Imagine blowing into a machine just to start your car.
any other vehicle without an interlock. Do you understand? All right, good luck. Thanks.
The next one is Mr. Musa Sliman, Sliman.
you mind bringing him up? How are you, Jeff?
I'm good.
What's new?
I have Robert Turner on. I just need to, he said we're doing, he's over on the walking T-Raz. He got approved at PTI yesterday.
Great, okay, do it. You got it, man.
Thanks, Judge.
Have fun. All right, you remember Mr. Slyman?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Slyman, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. With probable cause, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. On April 3rd, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer observed a motor vehicle fail to signal while changing lanes. The officer was driving 92 to 97 miles an hour and defense motor.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
The officer was driving 92 to 97 miles an hour and the defense motor vehicle was pulling away from the officers. The officers paced the motor vehicle at 89 miles an hour and a 60 mile an hour per zone. Traffic stop was conducted and the officer observed the defendant behind the wheel operating the motor vehicle. The defendant was identified by his extra driver's license. The officers observed the defendant to have dilated pupils, pressured speech, difficulty concentrating, constantly moving around, a strong odor of cologne on his person, and the mild odor of an alcoholic beverage emitting from his person.
See a strong odor of what?
And alcohol, or mild odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from the person.
You said there was an odor of something else, though.
Oh, strong odor of cologne. Excuse me.
Cologne.
Yes, sir. The defendant also had watery eyes and unsteady balance. The defendant stated he takes an Adderall prescription. Standardized field sobriety tests were performed, where the officer observed 6 out of 6 clues on the HGN, 3 out of 8 on the walking turn, 2 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The defendant declined a breath test, and officers located a THC vent pen in the motor vehicle. Blood warrant was obtained and a blood draw was completed.
Prior to the eyes and valid license.
Just have Lauren Bowman.
Do you think that he was on something? Is that
That's
what
what the
the,
judge would lead me to believe, Your Honor, that from the signs that the officers observed, that was potentially what the officers believed at the time.
I'm sending you now for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system and then you have to come back. You're not to use alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. And I'm telling you now, I will test you around 50 days from today. If you continue to use, it's not going to go well for you. You understand? You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. So any priors?
Don't believe so, Your Honor. I'm sorry, it's still taking me.
Okay. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with her. She'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. So I'm going to send him now. I want to know what, if anything, is in the system. We'll have him come back and then we'll go from there.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Take a seat for me, but don't leave.
Thank you,
All
Your Honor.
right. Okay, hi, Yashi. Come on. Hey,
Judge, I have a motion to withdraw on last name Kasem, Kasem.
this person here.
He's in the courtroom. It's not that old. Listen. I make sure it doesn't get too old.
Got it. Okay. Come up, Mr. Kasem. Good morning. Your lawyer's unhappy with you, withdrawn from your case.
Yes, sir. Couldn't keep paying the lawyer. Since 2 weeks of this charge that I recently got, and I got suspended from my job. I work in the airport, so they take it very serious. I suspended without pay for 2 months, and then they ended up firing me.
Are you not working at this time?
No, I'm not working at this time. I'm enrolled in school. That's the only thing I have going right now.
Good. I'm glad that you're enrolled. Where do you go to school?
Aviation, AIM,
You're gonna fly planes?
technician.
Technician.
Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to get done, but
That's a great goal.
I'm trying, yeah.
Just
I
keep it up.
Just the job part kind of slowed me down a lot.
You want to apply for an appointed lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll have you fill out an application. I'll see whether you qualify, and then we'll take a look, and then we'll go from there.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, I'll sign your motion withdrawal. All right, Mr. Kazem, if you don't mind, please.
Judge, I might just have Mr. Simon, has an elder license and.
No priors? Great. Something else?
Yes, I'm Mr. Turner, so he's going to do the walkthrough T-Res. I was hoping I could have his appearance waived for the next one.
Yeah, I mean-
Just do 2 weeks and,
I totally trust you. If he's got everything done, it's waived.
Yeah, okay.
No need to bring him here for, right.
Thank you, Judge.
If it's not done, we're gonna have an issue, but I suspect that you're gonna have this done.
Yes.
I trust you.
He's gonna do the T-Res and we'll get the
Worry about it.
contract back.
Got you.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
So I don't know now.
Sure.
We have Edelbert Rosas on docket. Yes, Judge.
Okay.
On this one, may we have a reset so we can see what they decide on his mitigation packet? It's already been submitted.
Tell me, state, no answer.
Officers observed a strong odor of marijuana in the vehicle. The defendant handed law enforcement officers a marijuana pipe, a handgun, marijuana, and mushrooms recognized by
Say mushrooms?
mushrooms. Was recognized by the officer based on training experience, was also found in the vehicle. And that gun was found, Your Honor. The pistol was found between the driver's seat and center console, within reach of the defendant, contained a magazine, 15 9mm round in it. And it is charged as possession of marijuana with the possession of marijuana as the underlying UCW.
Got the psilocybin?
No, sir, I only got charged with the, sorry.
It wasn't charged, no POM was charged, it was just the UCW.
I get it. Right? What about the mushrooms?
Mushrooms were not charged, Your Honor.
That-
They weren't illegal. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Janava, you're
I know.
on bond for a felony. You've now picked up a new case with a gun, with a whole host. Here's what we're gonna do now. Number one, I'm gonna find if there's probable cause to go forward with your case. The second thing I'm gonna do is I'm sending you now for a drug test. I wanna know what, if anything, is in your system, and then you're to come back. Do you understand?
So,
Pending what that says, we will do bond conditions. If you fail to go, if you fail to test, I will issue a warrant. Do you understand?
I'm not gonna lie, yeah.
Stop.
I'm gonna.
Don't say anything. All I want to know is what, if anything. Just take a seat for me real quick. We're gonna get you out there. And then as soon as you come back, I'll have a lawyer for you as well.
Nava, right this way. Go ahead and sign, figure this out.
Thank you.
Judge, the interpreter's here for page 28. Vasquez, come on up.
And now the drug test twist, shifting focus from arguments to evidence inside her system right now. The tension spikes.
You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause.
Motivos fundados, saber los motivos por qué te arrestaron.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Asignar uno de oficio.
Yes, Your Honor. On April 2nd,
El 2 de
2025,
abril de 2025,
officers were dispatched to the call
oficiales
service.
fueron a una llamada de 1 minuto.
Officers spoke with a loss prevention officer.
Hablaron con el oficial que estaba trabajando en la tienda.
Complainant stated that
Y
they
el
observed
quejante dijo que te observaron
on the defendants
a
on
ti
video
en video
placing children's clothing
poniendo ropa de niños
and accessories
y otros accesorios
into a backpack
en tu maletín
and purse.
o mochila y en tu cartera.
Complainant stated the defendant paid for her groceries,
Ahí dijiste que habías pagado para toda la comida,
but passed all points of sale
pero pasaste todos los puntos de venta
without paying for the clothing
sin
merchandise.
pagar para la ropa.
These items that were taken
Y estos artículos que se llevaron,
were $91 in children's clothing,
$91 en ropa de niños,
$9.98 in underwear,
no, $9.98 en calzoncillos
$39.92
y
in clothing.
$39.92
¿Es clothing?
Men's.
en ropa de hombre
And $25.96
y $25.96 de ropa de mujer.
as well as baby accessories,
Otros accesorios para los niños,
totaling $67.85
Total $65.85
for a combined value
para una combinación de valorada de $235.
From